Meet John. He and his team are responsible for content marketing at a large company. His department is doing a really good job of writing blog posts and articles. They also have great results on social media with posts, resulting in many shares and likes. Recently John had an interesting conversation with a colleague about the possibility of recycling content material. Recycling content material is all about finding new ways to use your existing content. Content can be recycled in two ways. Firstly, it can be adapted and transformed into a different form to reach new targets on different platforms. The same content presented in different formats can, therefore, appeal to different audiences within your target group. For example, a tweet or an Instagram story can become an explainer video, which can become a blog. Multiple blog posts can be combined and become an ebook, etc. Secondly, the same format content material can simply be restructured with a few alterations to give an updated current version with the same core information. For example, outdated content can be updated with regard to new facts and technological advances. Statistics may have changed or fashions and trends may have changed. Such references can be updated to ensure that recycled content remains relevant. John began to consider how their great creations can be recycled. The more he looked into it, the more ideas he got. John is excited. He realized that there are just so many possibilities. Recycling content implies that you work smarter, not harder.